Louis Vlogs and Games here, and welcome back to another gameplay. Today we're going to be playing RoBowling. Can you please slow down, guys? Slow down. Milo, slow down, mate. I need to do this. Okay, sorry about that. But anyways, today we're playing RoBowling, and we'll have a look around, and it looks beautiful, doesn't it, guys?
No, guys, let's go to the store.
Alright, store. Okay, let's have a look in the store. Right, you go to the store while I just get the game started, okay? That's this bloke. Hello, how may I have? Let's play against our first in fight friends only, so let's play low and Donna for 1, 2, 3, okay? And there we go then. Accepted. Right. Alright then, so are you ready, Owen?
Yes.
Let's start.
What about Milo?
Right. When he was doing this earlier, he was doing this like loads of attempts on this, and Milo doesn't know how to play a game because his game is probably glitchy and his buttons don't work for him, okay? Are you ready? The games are starting now. You can see me jumping back there. Okay, I'm first up, so let's start. So,
Milo's not working.
okay, let's see. Okay, let's start. Tap the ball. Very high. Let's roll. And oh, what a start! I got a split already.
I hope I get a strike. Like last time.
You want a kid, dude?
Milo, you can just watch this for a bit, okay?
No, I want to do
Lowen, get out of the way, seriously. Stop it! Seriously, let me get the ball. Tracy, you're just too excited to play this, aren't you? Okay, let's...
I want to go.
Okay, face it down there. Roll the ball, and... Oh, that was close, wasn't it? Alright, Lowen, your go.
Okay.
Start messing around with other people and get over here.
I want to miss, okay?
Come on.
Oh,
Come on, Lowen, let's see how you do it. Come on. Oh, is he going to do it? Oh, that's a good one, hello. Oh, 7 pins. Not bad, though. You might get a spare, though. You never know. Go on, Lowen. Let's see how you do it. Oh, hello. Oh, nice spare, Lowen.
I
Yeah.
hope I get a badge.
You already got a badge because you just played this earlier. Okay, now let's roll it down here. Okay, touch the ball. Very high. Down it goes. Okay, and oh, for goodness sake. 6 pins, man. Okay, right. Let's roll it down here. Let's see if we can get a spare here. Okay, that's a bit of a high roll there. Oh, hello. And nice spare. Yes. Got another spare now after so long. Okay. Okay,
Nice
Lowen,
spare.
your go. So far, right. 19, me, Lowen 10. Okay. All right, Lowen. Let's see how you do it. Come on, let's roll the ball. Down it goes. Oh, hello. 8 pins. That's excuse me, mate. You're in the way. You just go back. Seriously. Why just standing there? You just want to watch us? Okay, seriously. All right, Lauren got the ball. Well done. Please stop.
Whooping me.
Just throw the ball, Lauren. Okay. Oh, that's a good one, Lauren. Oh, just the 1 pin, I'm afraid. Because he thinks it's a really good game,
This
right?
is the girl that says get out the way. I'm standing on it.
Okay, here we go. Very high. Let's do this. Let's get a strike and... Oh, come on. Seriously. Oh, it's my ball back here. Okay. Get off my head. Lauren, stop messing around.
I want to get ahead.
Stop messing around with the
I
lady.
love her head.
This is not funny, okay?
I love her head.
Why? She's bold. Okay, roll it down there. Oh, hello. Oh, it's last pin over there. Done it again. Go on then. Lowen, seriously, stop messing around with the girl back there. Stop messing with her and get off her hair. Just roll your ball. It's your go now.
Milo's trying to steal my ball.
Get off. Sorry, madam. All right. Do it. Right. All right. What? Okay, I think that's about 2 or 3 pins. Sorry about my brother. Oh, that was 3 pins. Okay, you need another 7 more. Okay. Right. Go on, Lowen. Let's see how you do it. All right. Oh, got a ball, man. Unlucky, mate. Stop being a crybaby. Okay, now it's my go. Okay, just need to check what frame we're on now. We are on frame number 4 now. Roll it down here. Tap the ball. Very high. Down it goes. You can get a strike. Yeah, I got a strike. Yes, just what I needed. Give me the kind of confetti.
Nice,
Yes. Thanks, buddy. I went
Good
roll the
too.
ball. Oh, hello.
Who's he saying you're good to?
I think that's 6 pins there, I'm thinking. Okay, everything can change if you get a spare here. Oh, hello. Oh, that last pin on the right down there. Okay, right. Okay, right. Let's have a look at the scores. And, oh dear, Lowen's in the lead with 39. I'm on 35. No worries, I can... Okay, right, Lowen's in the lead now, so I need to get the strike. Alright, I already got a strike last time. Let's see if we can get a double. Now, here we go. Here we go, good one. Oh, 8 pins, not bad. Okay, right, 8 pins. What the earth is Lowen doing? Lowen, are you seriously messing around again? Why are you on their heads? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, mate. Alright, get my ball.
I'm a parkour master.
No, you're not. You suck at parkour like you did in Minecraft.
Coin!
Okay, let's see if we can roll it. Down we go.
Got a coin.
No one cares if you've got a coin. I got a spare. Yes, just what I like it. Get in.
After this, can I go and get a coin?
No. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Okay. 65 now. I'm in the lead. You on 39. Bad luck.
How about this?
How about this? You see you'll miss it. That was rubbish. That sucks, man. Okay, let's see. You can roll the next 8 down. Let's see. Let's see.
Bam, bam.
Oh, the last pin there. It was close though. And can I tell you this? I'm not being rude, but stop being on people's heads and just play the game concentrately, okay? Seriously, yeah. Okay, well, I get the ball, and then let's see if I can get a strike, if I can swim this back out a bit. Okay, tap the ball, very high, down it goes, okay? Oh! Yeah, got a strike! Yes! Cheer me on, guys. Give me the confetti. Oh. Oh, for goodness sake, Lowen. I'm going to kick you out my game if you don't stop messing around.
You can't.
Stop jumping on their heads.
Yeah,
Sorry, guys. Alright. Come on, Lowen. Let's see if we can get a strike here. I already got another striker, and you're still losing. LOL. Okay. Oh, no. 1 pin. That is rubbish, Lowen. Seriously. Do you want to pick it back on the way out?
Yeah.
Okay, not now. You still got another ball to roll. Okay. I'm on 85 and you're on 48, Lowen. You stuck at this big time. Okay. Well, that sucks. Only about 5 pins. Is that right?
6 pins.
6 pins. Okay, right. Frame 7 now. Okay, so let's grab this. Let's roll it down the lane. Oh, it's night time now as well, so it got special now. Okay, tap it very high, down it goes.
Look what it says.
Oh, hello. Okay, now I can't see that much because the pins have a bit of glowstone on it now. We can get a let's see if we can get a spare here. I don't think I'm gonna make it now. Okay. Oh, hello. No, that's bad enough. Yeah, 2 pins, not good enough, but I'm still in the lead though. Okay, go on, Lowen. At least he wasn't messing around this time. Just go, take the turn. Okay, go on, Lowen. Get your stupid ball already. Okay. I'll tell you this, guys. Lowen is so embarrassing here. He's literally embarrassing me here because he's literally jumping on everybody's heads and just peeing them off. Seriously, it's not even funny, right? Have a look at that. He sucks. He's got another 3 pins. Bad enough. Okay, go on, Lowen. Let's see you screw up on this one. I bet you won't get a strike or a spare here. Let's see you don't get a spare. Let's see you don't. Oh, no! You must be better than this, okay. Right, I need to check the frame we're on now. We've got 3 more frames to go now when it's the end. Okay, now let's see if we can get us another strike. If you get out of the way, please. Come on. Can I tap? Oh, thank God for that. Okay, let's roll it. Down it goes. Oh, come on, for God's sake. Seriously. Oh my God, I did not know that Roblox allows swearing on this chat. Right.
Oh, can I write something?
Oh, hello. Fine. Oh, no, that was bad enough. 2 pins. That's one on the left screwing me off. Right. Let's see what Lowen is going to say. Which is tagged out, lol. Okay, I'm going to have to get rid of the chat because a lot of people are swearing on there and it's just ridiculous. Didn't expecting Roblox to have such cuss words on this Roblox game. Oh, no. I got a ball? Seriously? Oh, seriously. I got 110. Lowen is literally 58. You suck at this. You can still win though with 4 strikes. Alright, let's see if we get the first strike. Oh my God, Lowen missed his ball there. Oh, got a ball. Well done, Lowen. That was stupid. Another got a ball there. That was really one of the worst frames ever. I'm not going to go on it. I'm going to censor it. Look, no points from that frame there, Lowen. We've still got 2 more frames to go, so let's pick up this ball. Okay, right, okay, yeah. Let's see if we can get another strike here, right? Very high, let's go. Oh, hello. Oh my god, I think I can do this straight. Okay, let's see if we can roll this spare. Okay, I need to take my time on this. Okay, perfect, I think. Let's see if we just roll it down and see if we can got it. Nah, not good enough. Game's nearly over now. Go on, Lowen. This music's fun. This is good bowling music, innit? Okay, or is it a good one? Not. Seriously. Another gutter! I just did it rather quickly. Oh, someone got a strike. Congratulations, because there's confetti over there.
Oh yeah, I want to go win.
Right, last frame now. We got this. Zoom it out a bit.
You got this.
If you like, get out of the way. Yeah. Okay. Right, here we go. No splits, please. Strike, strike, strike! Yeah! Get in! Why are you not giving me a round of applause? Cheer.
Nice work.
Strike! Yes! Okay, is it double trouble here for Lowen? Oh, no, it's not. Lowen, you're really embarrassing me right now. Stop it, you're so naughty. I'm taking you straight to bed when you get home. You like get out of the way? Move back, you idiots. Get me out of here. Get out of the way, Lowen. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I know I can't stand Lowen. No, I'm out of here. I can't stand Lowen. And by the way, I already win. Yes, thank god. You lose. Loser. Not happy in your behaviour. Look at that. I win. Yay. And Lowen loses. Loser. Okay. Now I need a serious chat with Lowen now. I'm so done with Lowen, I'm sick and tired of your behaviour today. You've been so naughty. You were bouncing on people's heads and you was absolutely playing rubbish. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And I got this straight out of the end because of my dad. And until next time, see you on the next one. Bye, Lowen. I had enough of you. I'm going to go die.